this short update, I will talk about the improved stepper driver for the pet feeder device. While working on the sensor board, to see if the fill sensors work as expected, it also involved using the stepper motor. Here, I realized, the combination of stepper motor and driver I worked with, is way too noisy and unreliable. I tested various combinations of stepper driver and motors, to see which ones lead to a silent operation. Also, it would be nice to run the motor directly from the 5-volt supply power, without the need to convert it to a higher voltage. After a number of iterations, I found the shown combination of motor and driver useful. I started building the controller for the device on a breadboard. It is quite a simple circuit, with the Raspberry Pi Pico as the microcontroller. There are only little additional components to control the stepper driver's power. With the new driver and motor combination, you only hear the gears and the turntable sliding over the platform. The motor is almost unhearable. I had to address another problem. With the low current available to the device, the stepper motor's maximum speed is quite limited. To solve this, I changed the wheel's size on the motor to the same size as the one on the lower axis. It is now a 1:1 transmission ratio. To test the turntable, I printed a substitute for dry pet food. The pieces have the same size as the real food, but they will keep the desk and drive clean while testing. It is nice to see how well everything works. The P-channel MOSFETs you can see here, control the power for the stepper motors. They are more about keeping the inrush current low than actual power saving. The stepper driver already cuts the power from the motor if it is disabled, but with the large capacitors for stabilization, it's better to power up this part with delay and only if really needed. Now, with the stepper problems finally solved, I focus on the fill sensors. I did some tests, and the sensor readings are not as distinctive as I hoped they are. Now I investigate if there is a simple method to improve them. I hope you found this update about the new stepper motor driver interesting. If you have any questions, missed information, or simply want to provide feedback, feel free to comment below, or contact me on Twitter.